Hi guys, this is going to be a bit of a review and a bit of a show and tell on some lenses. I've now got three lenses for my Canon DSLR. You probably see the lav mic. I'm literally an arm's length, just over an arm's length away from the camera. This is my latest addition to the kit. It's the 10 to 22mm Canon EFS lens, which I've had before. Didn't have access to it for a while, so I bought a new one. All this will be shot with the camera on a tripod. The camera is on the tripod, aren't going to move. The only thing that's going to happen is I'm going to change lenses. I'm going to change the zoom on this lens right now from 10mm to 22, and you'll see the difference. Hopefully you should see quite a bit of a difference between the two focal lengths. Obviously the zoom opens up quite nicely, huge wide angle, not quite fisheye, but I reckon it's a brilliant lens for landscapes. Could be great for a variety of different things. Might be able to get a few different things going on with this. We'll wait and see. So this is the kit lens, the 18 to 55. Shooting I think on 30 frames per second at f5. It's a 3.5 to 5.6 lens. So when we zoom into 55mm, you will see the image slightly darken. So it's now at 5.6 rather than f5, so it's variable aperture, but you can see the difference between the 10mm and the range to the 55. I'm going to stick on the 28mm f1.8 and open it wide up. I'm now at 160th of a second. It's still hunting a little bit for focus, which is a pain, but I'm still at f2. So this is the 28mm f1.8 at f2. So it's not completely wide open, but it's not far off it. 160th of a second shutter speed. Hopefully you'll see the difference.